I'm Gaz, this is Squatting Quads, and today we're flying in the rain. And this is the Lava 680mm Lava 2 from BetaFPV, and we'll give that a go in the Air75 Mark II now. This is with the 680mm 1S Mark II Lava battery from BetaFPV. And we're just going to see how far we can get with it, really. Now, we do have a little bit of vibration in the camera because, you know, we may have crashed it slightly. But signal wise, we're at minus 70 decibels. We don't need to turn around until minus 100. That's minus 70 there. As we turn around, we go to minus 80. We get telemetry warnings, but it's fine. It's not a problem. And the analog signal's holding up really well. I'm not sure why we're getting all the telemetry errors, but it is what it is. I don't want to crash on this field because it's very, very buggy at the best of times. But that is what it's like with a 680mm. It's still, I mean, we can still make it be very agile, I'm sure, without too much of a problem at all. I just don't want to go too crazy. Obviously, the higher you go, the better signal you're going to get. But the more in the wind you will be, as you can see, it is pushing us over to the side a little bit. As long as we're aware of the wind and what we're doing, we haven't really got a problem. But yeah, so, I mean, can we call this long range? I'm not sure we can call it long range, but for a whoop, I suppose it's relatively long range. And we're at 3.5 volts. We can probably push this to about 3.2. So I'm sure we can do another. If we stay low, let's see how well the signal holds up. Being a bit lower, it is falling apart a little bit more, but again, if we go up high, no problems. As I said, I don't fancy a walk up there, but 3.45 volts, we can probably, I don't know, knowing how far this is away, we can probably fly for about 3 kilometers, I reckon, on this battery. I think those warnings maybe set a little bit too low. Shouldn't really have warnings at that point, but it's what it is. It's better to be warned than not, I suppose. And yes, it's official. I am now a convert to tiny whoops. Obviously, this is not necessarily how you want to fly them, but some people may want to. And well, we're answering the questions. That's what we do. We answer the questions. Can you? Yes. And then do you want to? Well, that's a question for you guys. I'm half tempted to go through the gap over here, but the camera is quite, in fact I can't even find the gap. Oh, it looks like it's grown through a little bit there. Can't lie, it makes me a bit nervous. Should we just do it anyway? we're going to do it anyway.
Telemetry lost. Telemetry recovered.
And it's just knowing when that signal's going to break up and when it's not going to break up. And yeah, that's it. I'm going to land. We're on 4 minutes flight time. We've got 3.31 volts. 3.31 volts. We can probably fly for another minute if we chill. But yeah, that's it. Let's go. Well, there we go, early morning flights. We did some tricks, we did some crashes, we did a bit of a breaking of the frame here. But do you know what? We can replace that. It takes 2 seconds, it's really not a problem. This thing's absolutely amazing. We've flown in absolutely torrential rain and now the sun has come out. Can you believe it? Welcome to the UK. Got any questions whatsoever, do drop them in the comments down below. But until next time, peace! YouTube and I have had a chat, and we believe that this is the video that you'll like the most, so watch it and let me know if they're right.